PhraseExpress can manage your phrases in multiple languages, as you can see here. Now we switch to the German version and back to the English version. To add a new language, first click any phrase in the tree view to switch to the correct ribbon bar menu. Then you get access to the Manage Languages button. It's divided in two parts. The lower half allows you to select the language with the mouse, and the upper part provides access to the Language Manager. Here you can see two languages already configured. To add an additional language, click the Add Language button, and you can now either type any name you want, or what we strongly recommend, select the language from this list. By typing the beginning of the text of the language, you get quicker access. Let's add a French language. Then you can define a hotkey to quickly switch between the language with a double click and then press the actual hotkey. In this example, we choose Ctrl-Alt-F. And then you have the option to translate all phrases. Phrases not yet translated are colored in red. To translate, click the Translate button and make sure that you have an AI configured to do that. The benefit of choosing the list from the drop-down list as shown before is that PhraseExpress can determine the languages automatically. Okay, now press Translate Now, and you can see the translation progress in the tree view. Ready. You can now close the Language Manager and use the languages: English, German, or French.